Hello, fan collectors. What I have here is a 52-inch Hampton Gazebo ceiling fan. Well, it is not the plus, cause I picked this one off a porch of a man. They just gave it to me for free. As you notice, he added a light kit to it. And as you notice, the blades are kind of yellow, but it's uncommon for a plastic outdoor fan, especially if it's been out there for a long time. I always wanted one of these, but I also like to get one in either in Verde and also in black as well. Let me start off on high. Yes, I know it's been a long while since I've done videos. It had on hiatus. Yeah, just listen there. As you see, I got it running from my light fixture right here. Put on medium. Low. You turn on the light. Yeah, as you notice, have it right here above the table where my mama can sit down on. I try to suggest to her about having a fan right here so she could just chill sometimes. Alright, let me go ahead and reverse it. Which is the reverse switch right here. Alright, start all over. I also have about 42-inch version of this fan as well. I'm thinking about putting them in both bathrooms in my house. I'm trying to decide, do I want to put them on swag kits, or do I want to run some cable in the ceiling and a box brace, or just put it on the stud. Okay. Turn the light off. Hope you enjoy it.